4 a.m. Let's start the day. Hey guys, it's me Jeffrey from Travel Bites. We do food and traveling, and we are based here in Bangkok, Thailand. So today it's gonna be a little bit different. We are starting super early with a run all the way in the middle of Bangkok. At my old school. It's called Bangkok Christian College. It's the oldest private school here in Bangkok. A little bit about that later. Today we are also going to the Bangkok International Motor Show. The thing that I want to talk to you about is actually this. The GoPro Hero 7 Black. I got this for my birthday not very long ago. Thank you, wifey. I didn't really have a chance to play with it but today let's do an entire vlog using just this GoPro Hero 7 Black. That's a mouthful. Okay, from now on, it's GoPro time.
So this is the BCC Shongko run. It's the annual run of our boys' school. Is to raise money for the teachers that may be retired or have different problems, health issue and stuff. So this money can go towards our beloved teacher. It's a great chance for us boys to come and get together once a year. But anyone can join. If you are interested, it's hosted every year. There's 3 kilometers and 10 kilometers. So let's continue. All right, time for some food. Alright, we are done, but very sleepy right now. Maybe take a little nap and then continue. That's the run today. Got up since 4 o'clock, so super sleepy. Gonna have some coffee and take a little nap, and then we can continue our adventure. After a shower and some coffee, feel fresh now. Don't need that nap anymore. Let's test out some of the features like the time lapse, the hyperlapse, and just speeding up the clips. What's the difference and which one is better? Oh, by the way, how was that like smooth buttery slow motion in 120p? I don't know. I didn't check out the clip yet. And how's the audio? Is it okay? I think so. All right, let's start the time lapse now. Let's go to the motor expo. Let's take the motorbike because traffic's probably very terrible today. Let's check that out. Alright guys, so in conclusion for our GoPro testing, this is the day after. I checked out some of the footage and it's very good. Surprisingly, before I didn't really like the GoPro, the previous version, but this version, I think vlogging with it, it's very possible, especially with what I do, travel and food vlogs. Some limitations for the GoPro is in the low light, have to be careful. And the other thing is the audio, because it picks up all direction in a very noisy place. Maybe the audio might not be clean enough. All right, so I think that is all for today. Hope you guys liked the content. It's kind of different from what I usually do every single week. Hey, Sydney, come on. Maybe check out other episodes. I'll link it at the end of the videos and hope you guys like it. Don't forget to press subscribe and press that like button. It really helps with the algorithm. Right, Sydney?
Yeah.
Anything else to add? No. Hope you guys enjoy and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We have new contents about traveling and food every single week. See you guys. Gotta go. Bye. Swadee krap!